Last show home on Douglas Homes. Saan nga ba yun, Rich? Number 51 daw. Ayun, Douglas Home. Actually, marami pa mga show homes. Pero, tapusin muna namin itong 5 bago tayo pumunta dun sa iba. Anong pinakamurang bahay na nakita natin, Rich? 750?
600.
Which one?
The one in the...
Maki? Oh yeah, the Maki Homes. Yun yung pinakamura. 600 plus. 630? 630? Yeah, 630. So, ito yun. Douglas Homes. Number 51 daw. Saan yun? Ang ganda ha. Yan yung mga bahay oh. Lane Homes. Ayun. Doon. May green space sila dito. In between ng dalawang mga bahay. Mga houses. Row of houses. So, ito yung bahay. Lane home din siya. Oh, so kung wala siyang mga gamit. So, wala siyang gamit. Ito yung fireplace. St. Andrews. 1,291 square feet. 529. Ayan. Ayan siya. 529. Ito yung pinakamura. Ano to, Rich? Rich, what is this? Basement.
Separate entrance.
Oh, may separate entrance. Ito yung pantry.
Yes.
Yeah.
The only other thing though with Airbnb specifically, so it's not the case in Calgary, but you can actually do an illegal suite on
Ano to? Closet siguro ito.
Some people do. They'll do like so I've had clients that have done like
Ito yung garahe.
by every definition of order, except they can't. Obviously.
Just like a basement, like a bedroom and basement. You can't call it a bedroom. It doesn't have a window.
Yeah, exactly. But you could still do.
Dito yung second floor. Si Richard kausap yung mga agent dun sa baba. First bedroom. Maliit lang yung bedroom nila dito. Grabe, it's 529. Ito yung pinakamura namin nakita. Dito. Ito yung primary bedroom. Ay, masyadong sagad. Yung door, mahit yung pag ikaw ay may ginagawa dyan. Matatamaan ka lang pinto. Ano na. Walk in. Date lang siya. Ito siguro yung laundry. Laundry tsaka linen closet na. Yan. One of each. Rich, ano to? Laundry, linen closet, what?
Linen.
Ayan, linen. Ito yung laundry. It's 529. Kano? Yeah, laundry. Magkano siya? 529.
529, including everything.
Including everything?
Yeah.
The garage too?
Yeah.
Oh. 529 including the garage. That's good. Let's go. Alright, we're done. So, yung sa Douglas Homes, ito yung mga garahe nila sa likod. Yan yun. So, pwede ka mag-park pa ng isa sa sasakyan dyan. Tapos, pwede rin siguro sa street pa dito sa road na to. Pwede ka mag-park. So, kukunin na namin ang aming pagkain. So nice today. Ang sarap lumabas. Tapos may mga ganitong event. Napakasarap. Ang saya lang. Ito si Anne. Uy! 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 Hey! Gusto ko ng ano, Vietnamese. Papapalit na namin to ng food voucher. Go, Rich. Name this. Papakita niyo para bibigyan kayo ng voucher. Ayan.
Okay, so 883.
So, ayan na. Food voucher, drink voucher. Ano yan? Bubble tea? Oh, iced coffee. So, we got our free drinks. It's the peach with boba. Ano? Popping boba. And Rich got some mango with lychee jelly. And then we're gonna get our food now. Hot dog?
Yeah,
Ito daw hot dog. Ay, dito kami. Vietnamese food. Ito yung kalaan. Hot dog and chips. Ito, gutom na tong batang to. Tinapay. Tinapay ka lang. Ala. Libre yan. Vietnamese sub. Going inside this Homes by Avi. Alexander. Dalawa na lang. Duplex to. Yun yung isa. Tapos ito yung... Oh, maganda. $509 daw.
What?
I don't know. 509 ang narinig ko. 509 daw. Alexander.
1468.
Ayan. Magkano bits? Ang ganda. It's nice. Hi. Alexander. Ay, Alexis.
That one is the Leonard.
Ang ganda ng bahay nito.
So this one starts at 509.
509. 509 nga ito. Yung isa daw, yung katabi is 517. Ayan. Ang ganda ng kitchen.
509.
Let's go to the second floor.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, okay, no
You don't
worries.
have it. Okay.
Ito yun. 1,500.
So this one starts at 509.
Yung washroom. Duplex to ah. Yung, ito 509, yung isa 517. So dito tayo muna sa primary bedroom. Maganda yung pagkaka-stage nito. Light colors lang yung ginamit nila. Very nice. Ang daming mga kumakain dun sa food truck. So, ito yung washroom. Walang ilaw. Ay, wala. Ayan. Walk-in closet. Malaki yung walk-in closet nila. So, ito yung second bedroom. Ayan. So, ito yung third bedroom. Ayan. Ayan. Alright. Tingnan natin yung basement.
Yeah, but I originally came from Ukraine.
Oh, okay.
Oh, pantry.
Yeah, you look like a friend.
Saan yung ano, Rich? Basement.
It's not a finished basement.
Ano? Oh, doon pala.
Yeah. So they're from Ukraine. They live here. They speak to them.
Oh, may side entrance din. Ito yung una. Dito tayo sa pangalawa. Katabing bahay. Ito, 517. So, ito yung entryway. Ayan. Entryway. Tapos may maliit na ano dito, parang office. Dito muna tayo sa basement. Meron silang side entrance. Finished basement siya. Siguro 517, hindi kasama ang basement. Ayan, ito yung bedroom dito sa basement. Laki ng linen closet. Laki ng washroom. Ang laki siya, ah. Ang laki yung basement. Ang laki din ng living room. Wala lang siyang kitchen. Pero ito siguro ito pwede itong i-change na kitchen. Ayan. Merong another linen. Okay. Ang basement is 579 square feet. Ayan. Yan yung pantry. Merong detached garage. I'm not sure kung kasama yung garahe sa presyo na 517. So ito yung deck. But for sure hindi kasama yung mga upgrades dito. Magkano to, Rich?
517 starting.
Starting. Kasama yung garahe? Hindi. Probably not.
There's no upgrades.
No upgrades yan. 517. Ganda siya, in fairness. Sa second floor, tingnan natin. Yeah. Yeah, the developed basement. Second floor. Ayan, no? Leonard ang pangalan niya. 1,634. 517,000. Yan ang bonus room. So, dito muna tayo. Yung laundry. So, ito yung unang kwarto. Hindi kalakihan, pero may walk-in closet, ah. Yan. Walk-in siya. So, ito yung pangalawa. Maliit. Ang liit nitong kwarto na to. Pang baby. Ang linen. Tapos ito yung washroom. Tapos ito yung primary bedroom. Ito muna yung washroom ng primary bedroom. Ayan. Ito siya. Meron siyang sliding door. Wala lang balcony. Sayang, sana nila in-extend nila ito para may balcony ng sarili itong primary bedroom. Kaya lang wala. May sliding lang door. Ganyan lang siya. So, ito yung walk-in closet niya. Maganda yung pagkakastage ng bahay ng Homes by Avi. Duplex. Okay. Hardwood floor din, walang carpet. And I think this is the last house na wala na.
Yeah, this is the last one I can physically do too.
Pagod na. Ayan, guys.
Fell down.
Really?
Leg.
So, ayun lang, guys. So, anong pinakamurang bahay na nakita natin, babes? Ito, 509. Ito yung pinakamura. Yung duplex, 509. Tsaka 517. Yung isa yung sa Douglas Homes Lane Home is 529. So, pero starting lang to, 509 tsaka 517. Duplex. Starting. Wala pa sigurong garahe yan. Walang finished basement. Wala yung mga upgrades. So, yan yung pinaka-mura namin nakita dito sa Lanark Landing. Dito sa Airdrie. So, if you guys wanna check it out, yeah, come here sa Airdrie. I know marami sa mga nakikita ko mga vlogger na nagpupunta sa mga show homes. Yung pumunta sila sa Calgary, sa South, West, South, I suggest you go here sa Airdrie. Kasi ang Airdrie, mas mura siya ng konti. And malapit din naman siya sa Calgary. So, like, I think 30 minutes, babes? Mga 25, really? Mga 15 minutes to 20 minutes papunta sa north part of Calgary. So, Airdrie is very close. And Airdrie is a city and lahat andito na rin. And I think it's more quiet and less busy than Calgary. Yeah, actually ito namin originally gusto bumili ng bahay. So yun lang guys. That's it for today's vlog. See you again sa susunod na mga show home tour natin.